2 Corinthians 5:21, him who knew no sin became sin for me so that I could become the righteousness of God through Christ Jesus. And so through that, step 1, I can't do it. Step 2, God, you can do it. Step 3, God, I'm going to let you do it, And then it's like, is there been a moment that you can remember right then and there, And anyway, so we went through all that and he did. He prayed to receive and Christ right there and that opportunity. And so it's just, what happens like after that, and I sent him a message the next day, say, hey, I'm praying for you, hope you have a great day, this and that.